Hello everyone, in this video we're going to explore how to achieve perfect marks for the AQA A English Literature A2 paper, Paper 2, Section A. So let's remind ourselves of the structure of the exam papers itself and the course. You have two exam papers, both worth 40% in total, and coursework worth 20%. The first exam obviously is 3 hours in total, our second exam being 2 hours and 30 minutes. There are two sections. Section A, which we're going to start to explore now, is poetry, and that's one essay comparing poetry from your chosen anthology. Section B is drama and prose contextual linking. So, here is a question for you. How do you plan your response? So when you're ready, obviously make sure you've pressed pause, answer the question, and when you're ready, to resume. And when you've done that, how do you then write the perfect response, which we will then look at a later video. So when you're ready, press play to resume. Okay, so let's look at our mark scheme first of all. So this is out of 25 marks. As you can see, it's really similar marking in terms of all of the questions are the same essentially. You have AR1, which is your ability to write a perceptive, which means highly intelligent argument. That's 7 marks. AR2, which is your ability to use quotations, references, and analysis of form, structure, and language. Again, if you have perceptive analysis, then you're looking here at 6 marks. Context. Remember, context is the context of your texts, social, historical as well. Then you need to make sure thinking about connections, exploring ideas between the text. Notice that's only 3 marks, so it's interesting, isn't it, how that will reflect in your responses. And then AO5 is different interpretations, which again can be feminist, psychological, etc., structural. It can also be what experts and feedback have said, because obviously you've been studying these texts across 2 years. You should have 1 or 2 nuggets of gold in terms of quotation you can argue with or against from other experts. So thank you for that. When you're ready, we're going to look at how we can plan and write our responses to ensure we achieve full marks. Thank you.